In this lesson, we're going to continue to look at physical and chemical changes. So for this demonstration, I'm using a variety of instruments. Normally, you would need to wear your gloves and your eye mask, but as I know what's in these tubes, I'm not going to use them. As a side note, let me go over a few things that you should never do, that many students try to do. You should never pick up the tube and smell it. You should never pick up the tube and taste it. You should never pick up the tube, look at it closely without goggles, or drink any of it. Everything I just did is a big no-no. Don't do it. So right now I'm going to produce a physical change. I'm going to take this unknown substance and once again let me do a no-no. That unknown substance, and I'm going to combine them in this beaker. Give it a few swirls. And now, do I have a new substance or do I have the original substance that's had its properties changed? Well, even though it looks like I made something new, I really didn't. Inside of this tube is a silica gel and I added water to it. Over time, even though it doesn't look anything like the two things that I put in there, it now looks like a single substance. But over time, the water in this will actually evaporate, and then the silica gel would return back to that small amount of powder that I put in there. So this is actually a physical change since the process can be reversed. Now, I know it looks like there's more than what there was to begin with, but it just changed in size as it absorbed the water. But this will go away given time. But I am going to do something to speed that up and induce a chemical reaction. So this is water and that was silica gel, or reversed. Now I'm going to add, let's see what this is again, sodium chloride to the mixture. A little bit of sodium chloride. Let's do this just a little bit. And now you've got a thick sludge. So the reaction that I just created with this was a chemical change. There's no way for me to undo this portion now. I can't separate it again. This has actually changed the chemical structure of what was in this tube. So once again, when looking at physical and chemical changes, one way that I think about it is, can I fix it? If it's paper and I've crumpled it up, I can make it back into the sheet. Nothing changed chemically about it. But if I burn wood, I can't unburn the wood. It's undergone a chemical change.